비가 좀 많이 와가지고 여기 알린의 집으로 이제 가려고 하는데 딸들이 뭐 좋아하는지 모르겠어가지고 졸리비 좋아하냐고 물어보니까 졸리비보다는 여기 밀크티를 좋아한다고 해가지고 여기 인티메이트? 여기에서 밀크티 사서 이제 집으로 가려고 합니다. 그리고 여기 길거리 음식을 한번 먹어보려고 하는데.
네, magkano to?
25.
Ah, 15 peso, Ana.
15페소?
네.
Eat together.
No problem.
two. 요거 시켰거든요. 하나에 15페소래요. 두 개면은 30페소. So normally you buy here?
Yeah, normally.
normally. But I haven't tried this. 와, 치킨 머리를 이렇게 튀겨서 먹는데요.
My wife working in Korean restaurant almost 2 years.
2 years?
True.
In 제주 할래?
In the Philippines. Only samgyup,
삼겹살. In Manila?
No, in Pagtangan.
Ah.
In the town.
박상한 there is a Korean restaurant?
Yeah. How many times you come here in the Philippines?
In Manila, first time.
First time, Pagtangan first time.
Cebu, four time.
In Cebu.
In Cebu. I
Ah.
studied the English there.
Me, 한국말 study no. Only for my passenger. Maybe Korean passenger speak English. I told. 안녕하세요, how
Ilan po ba?
translate.
Can I have take a picture?
사진 찍고 for the.
No.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Or no?
Okay.
Hello.
알겠습니다.
And then 잠깐만. 어디?
오, 이거는 뭐지? 치킨
Pork.
pork.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
Ah.
Like an intestine.
Vinegar
vinegar.
or sauce.
소스. 이렇게 소스를 부어서 먹는 거구나. 오케이. 돼지 내장 같은 부위인 것 같은데 맛있어요.
맛있어요? 잠깐.
맛있어요. 진짜 맛있네. 한 50원, 뭐 100원 요 정도 하는 것 같은데 맛있어요.
이게 may
그래?
friend tal 그가 사진 찍으래.
사진 찍고 싶어가지고.
오케이. 하나, 둘, 셋.
이제 밀크티를 사서 알린의 집으로 가고 있습니다. 집이 이런 시골길을 따라서 들어가고 있어요. 와. The waterfall near house expensive?
자.
오. 와우. 안녕하세요.
네 사람.
They very friendly.
야.
Hello.
This is my small house.
Hello. Hello.
Kaibigan ko to.
This is for you. Milk tea.
Ikaw yun. Bigay mo sa kapatid mo.
Pagsaro po po, finish.
Finish.
Oh, my friend.
Your friend?
My friend.
Oh.
You wait, wait. Okay, go.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, very
Hey,
good.
anyo kasi.
Hello.
Do you want to change?
Yes. 이렇게 초대받아가지고 집으로 왔어요. 일단 씻지는 못한다고 하니까 옷이 너무 젖어가지고 옷부터 갈아입고 나가도록 해야 될 것 같습니다. 이렇게 옷을 다 갈아입었고요. 제 가방이랑 이런 것들이 다 젖어가지고 일단은 말려야 될 것 같아요. 모든 게 다 젖어서 돈도 젖었고 옷도 거의 다 젖었는데 다행히 이거 새거 산 게 비닐을 제가 안 뜯어가지고 이 옷은 안 젖었고 외부인을 초대하는 게 쉽지 않을 텐데 너무 고맙네요. Thank you for invite. Thank you for invite. Thank you.
Take a picture.
Ah, okay. Hello.
These are my daughter.
She is first.
No, my first sister.
Ah.
My first, and then
Second.
second, and then here.
Oh.
These are 7 years old.
7 years old. How about you?
Ganda na sa kanya. 9 years old.
9 years old.
12. Yeah. 13 years.
13. Middle school? Middle school?
And now is high school.
High school. Oh. What's your name?
Lysel.
Lysen. Lysen.
Lysel.
Lysel.
Yeah,
Lysel. What's your name? Huh? Jennifer.
Cheryl.
Cheryl. Cheryl. Oh, it's good name. Cheryl.
Is Desiree.
Desiree.
In Korea, sir, may old man, many not speak English, but in the children, small, and then speak English is very well.
Oh, yeah. Nowadays they are education is very high.
Yeah.
But I have to study English more. Not enough.
Do you study from now or working?
Now? Not study. I'm just working. Because I spent 2 years in Australia.
Oh, 2 years old.
Australia. And 3 months in Cebu for study English.
My schooling staff
Oh.
always working.
Oh.
Because my only single parents, my mother, no working.
No working.
Only me, my brother and sister. And the youngest sister very small.
I see. So you start from 16?
16.
16?
16 to 15 we starting.
What did you do at the when you're small? What did you do?
In my job in 15 years old, only boatman.
Boatman.
Isa my wife is Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. How old is
Only Beth in small nickname Beth.
Beth. Same age?
No, very young.
Very young? You are
30.
you are lucky.
He asked my brother, my wife brother, who's I told my friend. Because many friends, sometimes Korea is only in the town. You first Korean people coming here. But many Korean people, many only walking here.
Working here?
Yeah, walking.
Really?
In my friend is coming here, I invite for the walking, no problem.
Hello.
This is a house my wife, mother and father. And this
Mother and
brother, wife, brother. And then here. All family.
Whole family.
Yeah.
엄청 대가족이네.
Taga sa dyan. Sabi na yan. He's always from the Philippines. My house. Always in the afternoon, after finish the job, drinking coconut wine.
Coconut
Wine.
wine.
Same the soju.
Like this, coconut wine. This is
Coconut wine?
quality,
Yeah.
quality. Coconut.
How?
You taste it, very good.
Same soju, you know.
Soju?
But very
Strong.
strong. Only for the coconut. My friend is wait here. I always drink.
Cold water.
Cold water. So you mix this with.
Yeah, very good.
So you live here?
Yeah, I mean, I married.
You married here?
I have five children.
5 children?
My friend, Felipe,
Hello.
Felipe.
Okay, I will remember. Felipe.
Felipe.
What's your name?
Roman.
Roman.
What's your name?
John.
John.
It's an easy name.
Welcome again to Philippines.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Besaram.
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 Pali.
Hey, anjo kasi sir.
Okay.
Sit down first. No single, no girlfriend.
No girlfriend. Single.
You are bochida.
No, I'm ugly.
I agree.
Ugly.
No.
So you working boatman?
Both.
Is it hard?
Very hard.
Very hard.
You see, di ba? 빨리 no 없어. Only 춘춘이. 베사람 신다라요.
How long did you work?
Ano? Sa pagsampo ko? Ilan ba tayo? Ano eh?
Hindi, ilang taong ka daw ng ano, ilang taong ka daw.
I'm start student.
Student.
I'm 15 years old.
Oh,
Working.
15.
Very young. 15 years old.
오,
Rambutan.
람부탄.
Very sweet.
오,
Very sweet.
람부탄.
Rambutan.
어,
Eat.
얍.
Paupulutan eh.
Sweet. Oh.
Not very sweet, it's a kind of...
Okay.
Coconut.
Coconut wine.
Quality.
I'm not strong at
Okay, ano?
alcohol.
Oh, yeah.
Only small.
Only small. Straight.
Yeah.
Oh.
Then,
And then water.
water,
아.
cold water.
와. 와. 엄청 독하네. 와. 냄새가 엄청 독해요.
No chemical.
코코넛 와인이라고 해요. 이거 한번 먹어볼게요. Taste is not coconut. But it's like a vodka.
Vodka,
vodka.
yeah.
vodka.
But vodka no chemical, but yes, from coconut.
When you drink alcohol, don't eat some food.
No.
Only
After finish,
drink.
we eat.
In Korea, when I drink alcohol, we have to eat something
may
food like
I
a
cook
soup.
my
or-
wife now.
We have taktari.
Yeah.
Taktari.
Chicken, sometimes Yogi, thank you very much for coming here in Philippines in my house.
No. I'm thank you for inviting here.
Your house only alone?
Yes.
Oh,
Only me. And I have one cat.
one cat.
Cat.
Me is a dog. My dog is good because always come here, always bite the tumabem.
도마뱀?
Tumabem in the Philippines, cook
wait.
exotic food.
Ah, really? You
Huh?
eat 도마뱀?
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh.
Tumabem is big size.
Really?
Yeah, big tumabem. Only may big size. In the Philippines, tumabem big size.
How about snake? Snake here?
Yeah,
Python,
But-
python, we have python.
But-
python.
Cobra, Philippine.
Python is no venom.
Oh.
No venom.
No venom.
Not dangerous.
Not dangerous.
Sisi python, many people get.
Ah.
And
Friendly,
then
friendly.
cook.
Ah.
Cobra, no, dangerous cobra.
Oh.
But cobra is no cobra here.
Cobra?
No.
Tiguri. Mashuta.
비구리?
Tiguri.
띠고리?
Frog.
띠고리? 아, frog. 개구리.
Tiguri, yeah.
개구리.
In the
Oh.
frog, in the Philippines,
Oh,
mashuta.
peggy, oh.
But very expensive.
Expensive.
In the chicken, 1 kilo is 190 peso.
어.
Frog, 1 kilo, 500 to 400 peso. 1 kilo.
Expensive.
Expensive. But good cook, mashuta.
So you like 개구리?
Yeah. My kids favorite like you.
I haven't eat 개구리.
30
Maybe 30 years ago.
years,
they
yeah.
eat 개구리. Normally you gather here
Yeah.
and then drink alcohol. Oh.
Finish
Because-
work,
Because very cheap.
because body sick,
Body
better.
sick. 아.
Take,
medicine. medicine.
Itong kanin.
오.
Konti naman, ha?
와.
Bye-bye. Babay ka.
adobo.
Bye bye. What is the food name?
I told you adobo. In the
Adobo.
Philippine, only Philippine food.
Thank you. Thank you.
So sweet.
I like this. We have a similar food. 찜닭 같은 맛이에요. 찜닭.
Chimtak, yeah. Parang matutukay ka rito para makita sa video, yeah.
Dali. Mana tayo Korea. Makarating ka ng Korea.
Wow.
Nice.
고봉밥 주네.
We stay that of 2 days, 3 days. I bring you another waterfalls in
박상한.
Laguna. Yeah.
아, 라구나.
Many only walking, not expensive, only 50 pesos for the entrance. Only walking, waterfall.
Have you eaten Korean food?
Yeah.
You like Korean food?
Yeah.
I like the chumulok and kimchi.
Very good.
Very nice. Very hot.
주물럭?
Chumulok.
Not spicy.
In the Philippines, it's
Kimchi.
spicy. souvenir for the Mr. Chon.
Kung ano yung
This is my
tatay mo,
first
ano?
daughter.
Saan ito binibili?
First daughter.
Yeah, 15 years old.
Akin na lang.
Kan,
This is
kan.
Mr. Chon.
Yung chat ko.
I'm John. John.
In Korean name is Gun.
Gun.
You know Hunter X
Shotgun.
Ah.
Shotgun.
John.
Who's fighting?
Gun.
This Trisha study in Korean language.
Oh, really?
Wow,
I told
very
her, I
good.
said, Hangukmal is
Really?
it's a very,
Ah,
very hard. The first time I see Korean people.
Oh. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. I smell well. Really good. You're dog?
Yeah, that.
오, 와 집에서 닭을 키우네. Sometimes you
Yeah,
cook?
sometimes. Yeah. We cook.
오. 아, chicken.
Cock fighting.
아, fighting?
Yeah, cock fighting.
So you do chicken fighting?
Yeah, chicken fighting.
If you want win,
Yeah, but
how
many
you get
depends
money?
for the many money.
Oh.
3 times winning.
Oh.
Popular
Is it like a gamble? Betting the
Yeah.
chicken?
Yeah, betting.
오. 아, 이거
This is a tigre.
구라지. 오. 아, 개구리.
Yeah.
와. 오.
There's a many difference. See?
아.
And this.
오. This is big.
Yeah, big. But mas good masya tao di.
맛있다.
Yeah, small.
아, small is
Good,
delicious.
yeah, delicious.
So normally you cook the fried or
Same adobo with yaja. With chili,
chili?
spicy.
아. Normally in Korea we fry the
Fried, yeah. In a big one.
아.
But small one is good. Very smooth for the cook. River in a pokpo, big one. Size.
오. 폭포?
In a pagsang pokpo.
Really?
Hana, big size.
오.
10 kilo, hana.
10kg?
7 kilo. 10 kilo big.
Very, very big.
And the big one.
It's like a snake.
Look like a snake.
오. I like Philippines coffee. Delicious. When you pick the mango, you
Yeah,
sell.
big mango with the sale.
You sell the mango.
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh,
It's the mango is a Indian mango, small one.
Indian mango?
Yeah, this,
Ah, this one.
yeah, this one.
아, 파이팅. 일로 와. 내가 어제 과자 많이 줬지? 파이팅. 아, 영 프루트.
Yeah. This pomelo.
어. It looks like grapefruit.
Yeah, very good.
신기하다. 어떻게 집에 이렇게 과일 나무들이.
Nasa kail na kalambato.
Bye bye.
Nasa Tarosa yun, no? Ha? Sa Tarosa? Alis na yan. Not Kalamba. Direct to the Santa Rosa.
Santa Rosa.
Santa Rosa. After the Santa Rosa, you ride the...
Ali, it was good to see you.
Yeah.
Really, good to see you.
Yeah. You ride the...
Can you say bye?